Mandar ka. Aji. Alam niyo, meron nang nangyaring contest. I think it went on sa Facebook na you video yourself singing one of my songs or Two Faith songs. Tapos, the most number of likes na makuha ng video na yan, mananalo at paakitin dito sa stage. So I'd like to introduce the person who won by singing one of my songs, I think. I'm not sure actually about the mechanics of this. But I met her backstage, lovely young lady. I'd like to call her up on stage so that I can... Ika. Actually, hindi ko na dapat tinanggal yung barang ko. Bagay na bagay pala. Pangharana, di ba? So I'd like to call up on stage. Grace, please, come on. Ayan, si Grace. And si Grace kasi, pasok na pasok yan sa criteria for judging ko. Ano dito? Kasi mahilig po ako sa medyo malalaman. And kung si Grace hindi malaman, hindi ko na alam kung ano ang malaman, di ba? And I hear Grace, bigyan natin siya ng microphone. Ay, wala na. Ayan, dito tayo. So, I hear she's also a singer. So, she prepared a song, pero hindi ko na alam yung kanta kasi yung kanta came out 10 years ago. I just recorded it. Hindi naman siya talaga naging part of my repertoire. So, we have to make do with this. Okay? So, palapakan natin si Grace. As much as kaya na kantahin kung kakantahin namin, susubukan lang, di ba?
Yes.
Baka sakali tumugma.
Tama.
Okay? So, to all the husbands and wives na nandito, to all the lovers, to all the people who have their hearts stolen by somebody else, para sa inyo to awitin. Nais ko mabuhay sa haba ng panahon, kung ito'y lilipas na ika'y kapiling ko, ang aking buhay, ang aking buhay sa'yo ibibigay. Angin ko panalangin ay pagsamo mo, kailan ba'y di magmamaliw ang apoy sa puso ko habang may buhay.
Habang may buhay, hanggang ang dugo ko ay dumadaloy, sa'yo lamang iaalala ang aking buhay, sa'yo ibibigay.
Talino! Kaya rin pala nanalo eh. Ayun, professional singing na. No? So, you just sing for fun? Alam niyo kung bakit ang galing natin? Kasi lahat tayo may mga karaoke, video ko sa mga bahay natin. What's a Filipino home without a video or a karaoke? Diba? Siguro ikaw wala.
Ay, meron ako no.
Oo, diba?
Updated ako, bumili ako ng magic mic talaga.
At sigurado yung mga kanta ko lang yung
Tama.
okay, so continue on. Ibig kong malaman mo hanggang sa dulo ng mundo, ang pangarap ko'y sa'yo. Habang may buhay,
Habang may buhay, hanggang ang dugo ko ay dumadaloy, sa'yo lamang iaalala ang aking buhay, ang aking buhay, sa'yo ibibigay. Ang aking buhay,
ang aking buhay sa'yo Nakakain ba to?
May pera dyan!
May pera to? Ay, punto. Thank you very much, Grace. Pagpapanga. Palakpakan natin si Grace. Last night, after the show in Toronto, people came up to me and said, bakit hindi niyo ginawa itong kanta-kanta namin? Naubusan kami ng oras eh. I didn't know that we were limited with time. Just like we are again tonight. So, para sa inyo lahat, medyo maswerte lumabas ng kanta na to. This is what started everything for me. What is life to offer when I grow old? What's there to look forward to beyond the biting cold? They say it's difficult, yes, stereotypical. What's there beyond sleepy work and this cruel life? Ain't nothing else around here but human strife. 'Cause they say it's difficult, yes, stereotypical. Gotta be conventional. You can't be so radical. So I'd like to see all your hands. Okay, everybody up, everybody. We are the ones who are next in line. We are next in line. What is life to offer me when I grow old? What's there to look forward to beyond the biting cold? 'Cause they say it's difficult, yeah, stereotypical. Gotta be conventional. You can't be so radical. So how's that come on? Everybody. Everybody up with your hands. Come on. We are the ones who are next in line. We are next in line. Oh, we are next in line. We got work, we got feel, let's open our eyes and do whatever it takes. We gotta work, we gotta feel, let's open our sing this song. To all
We are
we are the ones who are next. We are the ones who are We are the ones who are Gusto na po namin magpasalamat sa inyo lahat, magpaalam. Sa lahat po ng mga producers namin, maraming salamat. Ate Connie, from the deepest part of our hearts. Our producer, Ate Connie. Sa lahat ng tao tumulong from all the cities we've gone through, maraming salamat. This is our last leg. And parang nakakalungkot isipin na 2 weeks went by so fast, 5 shows went by so fast. And